Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about sparkneon.com reviews, and in this video I'll also help you whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular website, guys. It is an online shopping store that deals with various products, clothing or accessories, including shoes like t-shirts, sweatshirts, coats and jackets, tank tops, pants and shoes as well. Now coming to the payment information of this particular site, let's explore the payment information. And guys, they are claiming to ship their products at a worldwide level. Now coming to the payment info, let's check out the payment section. So this is the payment section, guys, and they have mentioned that PayPal is the only recommended payment method. Apart from that, you can also make the payment via credit or debit cards. So this was the payment info. Now coming to the shipping policy, you need to visit the shipping and delivery page. Here they have mentioned that the receiving time is usually about 10 working days, and it normally takes 3 to 5 days for processing the order, and the shipping duration will be 5 to 7 working days. So this was the shipping info, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. Coming to the domain information, it was created on 8th of December 2020. So guys, this site is 3 months old website, so we can't claim this site legit on the basis of the domain age, and apart from that, it is only registered for 1 year. So this is a drawback. So let's go further by visiting. Let's know more about the website by visiting the About Us section, guys. This is the About Us page. They have provided the detailed About Us information, which is a positive sign. But coming to the contact details, they have provided suspicious contact details, guys, and the email matches with the domain name, which is a good sign, but they have not provided the contact number, and apart from that they have mentioned the suspicious address details. Now coming to the social media presence of this site, you can see they have mentioned follow us on Facebook and Instagram. This time Facebook page is not opening due to some error. Let's check out the Instagram profile of this particular website. So this is the Instagram profile of this particular website. It comes with 8,879 followers, guys. They have huge followers, which is a positive sign. And coming to the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. So guys, this is the return policy page, and let's read about the return policy. So guys, they have mentioned that to return the products, you need to contact at the email address, and they are offering full refund if the order is cancelled within 24 hours of your purchase. So they have not provided the return policy, but yes, they have mentioned that the refunds or store credit will be issued within 30 days. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers as well. And coming to the sparkneon.com reviews, we have found a few positive comments about the products on the official website. So let's check out the customer reviews. But guys, we didn't found customer reviews on other platforms, which is a negative sign. So guys, only a few positive comments are available. You can take a look here, but we are not able to find the verified IDs of these customers. Apart from that, the names are also missing. So this is a negative sign. So the site can't be trusted on the basis of these customer reviews. Apart from that, guys, the trust index score of this website is 2%, which is very bad, and this makes the site quite suspicious as well. And according to the research, we have found that the site has a low Alexa rank or a low traffic as well. And guys, the site is too young to define its legitimacy, so we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website. We would like to inform you that please wait for some time and then place your order, and explore the entire information before making any online purchase, because there are so many loopholes that makes the site quite suspicious, guys. So stay away from such type of suspicious websites or wait for some time as well. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.